Hello student, myself Digant Sakhiwala. We will start our chapter number 11, the human eye and colorful world. In that we are going to learn about the human eye. Dear student, the human eye total eyeball diameter is 2.3 centimeter. Okay. Then this last part is important, retina, where the image is obtained. Okay, as well as on that some electrical signals are produced, and by that way the mind interpret it. Here we have initially the rays are passed from pupil, okay, then after it is going on convex lens, and at last it is obtained on the retina. Okay, so one by one we will learn all the part of the human eye, then after we will go on the next topic. First is the retina. Eye lens system form an image or on a light sensitive screen is called the retina. So here this is retina, on that image is obtained. Cornea, the outer part, thin membrane part is present in the eye, that is called the cornea. Light enters the eye through a thin membrane called the cornea. We have third part is iris. This part is called the iris. Iris contain the black color of pigment, and because of that reason it is looking like black. Second thing, it is the hollow sphere, and generally when the light is less, at that time it expand, and when the light is more, then what happen? It contract. Iris is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of the pupil. Okay, we have this part, pupil. It regulates and controls the amount of light entering the eye. So generally pupil function is to control the amount of the light. Eye lens is here, it is a double convex lens. Okay, and generally we know that convex lens make the it makes the real and inverted image. So function of the eye lens, it forms an inverted and real image of the object on the retina. Okay, here we have the ciliary muscles are there that control the lens. Okay, it increase or decrease the focal length of the lens. Okay, here on the retina some photosensitive or some photo light sensitive cells are there. Okay, they excited and they illuminated when the image is obtained, and they convert them into the electrical signal, and that electrical signal send by the optical nerves to the brain, and brain interpret the image. The retina is delicate membrane having the enormous number of light sensitive cell. The light sensitive cell get activated upon illumination and generate the electrical signal. The electrical signal are sent to the brain by optical nerve, and the brain interpret this signal so form that we perceive the object as they are. So dear student, this is all about the eye. Okay, dear student, we will continue our topic, power of accommodation. Okay, in this topic generally we try to discuss about the eye lens. Eye lens curvature can be controlled by the ciliary muscle. How we can see the object which are very far. So we are going to learn about the far point of the eye. How we can see the object which are very nearer. So we are going to learn near point of an eye. We are going to learn about the cataract. Okay, so we will start our topic, power of accommodation. The eye lens curvature can be modified by the ciliary muscle. So ciliary muscle control the curvature of the eye lens. So because of that reason, according to condition, the eye lens is become thin or thick. The change in curvature of the eye lens can thus change the focal length. So according to the eye lens curvature are changed, so focal length is also changed. Okay, focal length increase when muscles are relaxed, lens become thin, and these enable us to see the distinct objects. So when objects are very far, at that time the muscles are become relaxed and the lens become thin, and because of that reason the focal length is increased and we can see the object which are very far. When we try to see the closer object, the ciliary muscle contract. So whenever we try to see very nearer object, at that time the ciliary muscles are contract. These increase the curvature of the eye lens, and the eye lens become thicker. So eye lens become thicker and focal length is what? Decrease. So dear student, you remember that focal length is increased in the case when we want to see the object very far, and focal length is decreased when we try to see the object which are very nearer. Now main thing is here accommodation. The ability of eye to adjust its focal length is called the accommodation. Okay. Near point of the eye. What is called near point of the eye? We try to see objects which are very nearer to us. Then what happens? Suppose I keep my finger nearer to my eye. It is not easy to exactly focus on that. So the near point of the eye is 25 centimeter for the healthy person. Okay. The minimum distance at which object can see most distinctly without strain. Strain word is important here. For the healthy person, if the point at which you can see the object which are very nearer to eye without strain, that is called the near point of an eye. It is called the least distance of distinct vision. It is called the near point of an eye, and it is 25 centimeter for the healthy person. So for the healthy person it is 25 centimeter. Those who has eye defect are there, for them maybe it will more or it will less. Far point of the eye, the farthest point up to which the eye can see the object clearly is called the far point. So maximum distance on that eye can see the object, that is called the far point of the eye. It is infinity for the normal eye. For the normal eye it is infinity, but suppose some defects are there, then maybe it depend upon the eye. Cataract, many people are there, or the aged people are there, they are suffering from the cataract. Okay, so cataract can be removed by the surgical operation. We have to do some medical operation, by that way we can remove that. The crystalline lens of people and old age become milky and cloudy. This condition is called the cataract. Okay, this causes a partial or complete loss of vision. Sometimes the people or patient cannot see the object or totally loss of vision, that is because of the cataract. It is possible to restore vision through a cataract surgery. So generally we have to go to the doctor, take his visit, and then after by surgery we can remove it. Okay, thank you. This is all about the today's session.